this demonstration, we'll build an automated workflow that not only extracts data from invoices, but also redacts sensitive information before generating the final output. We're going to create a complete end-to-end workflow. To start, we'll select Create, and we'll select Process Skill. We'll name our new process skill Redaction Test. This brings us to our workflow designer. To get us started quickly, we'll select a standard template that flows from input through OCR, classify, extract, and a manual review step, and finally to our output. Next, we'll select our extract step, adding our corresponding invoice extraction skill. You'll also notice when we select Add a Skill in the bottom right-hand corner, another improvement in Vantage 3.0 that all skills are now listed in alphabetical order, making it easy to find what you're looking for. You can also use the search box. Here we'll search for our invoice document skill, select the document skill, and we'll go ahead and select Add. And then now for the most important part of our demo, configuring the output and enabling redaction. We'll select our output step. We'll select our settings from the action pane. And here you'll be able to see different fields that we can save data to, different text export formats that we can save as documents. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll select text as an additional output source. And finally, we'll move on to our image selections. Here you'll notice that redacted fields is grayed out. To activate our redacted fields selections, we'll need to select a document image. First, we'll choose and toggle the PDF selection. For this purposes, we'll stick with the top one. And now you can see that our Add Redacted Fields option is now available. We'll select the drop-down, and here we can start to add individual fields that we want to redact. For security and privacy on this one, we're going to redact the invoice number, the IBAN number, the bank account, and the bank code. Once selected, we'll save our changes. Our workflow is now complete, and we can publish the skill to make it active and ready for use. Now that the skill is published, we're ready to test it. First, we'll navigate to our Try Any Skill app, which I conveniently have on the second tab here. We'll select the document that we'd like to upload. For this example, we'll use my invoice sample that I have on my desktop, and we'll be able to select the skill that we just created and designed our entire process around, which is the redaction test skill. Keep in mind that redaction is not limited to just the skills catalog. You can create a brand new skill or a brand new document skill or use your own, and redaction will work just like you see here. Now that the process is complete, let's view the results. We're going to select Invoice PDF. As you can see, the invoice number has been completely blacked out. It's critical to understand that this is not a mask or a temporary layer. The underlying text and data for this field have been permanently removed from this version of the document, ensuring sensitive information is protected. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we've built and deployed a sophisticated automated process in Vantage that intelligently extracts data while simultaneously securing sensitive information through permanent redaction. This powerful capability is now ready to be integrated into any business process.